Welcome back to the Brew Tank Mazer Maniacs, where today we're going to be making a sweet traditional mead. Now, one of my first traditionals was dry and had an off flavor from using bread yeast from the store. This one I'm going to make is a little sweet and hopefully let the orange blossom shine through. So without further ado, let's make some mead. Today we're going to use Fresh Star Sands, 4.5 pounds of orange blossom, our little big mouth bubbler, D47 yeast, yeast nutrient, cheap vodka or sterile boiled water if you prefer, a measuring cup, measuring spoons, and our yeast pitching bowl. Let's prepare our area for mead making. As always, sanitization first. Now before we pour our water into the carboy, we're going to reserve 2 cups off to the side and get it warm in the microwave. Today we're going to make a sweet mead with our D47 yeast. The tolerance is up to 14%, and from what I've read, you need to use appropriate yeast nutrients like Go Firm, Ferment K, or DAP for this fermentation to prevent stalls. Also, I would stagger your nutrient on this one as well throughout primary fermentation. Once we've emptied the rest of our water into the carboy, let's grab our honey from the sink and get ready for our honey shot. Now give it a good stir. Make sure to introduce oxygen into the must for the yeast so they don't get stressed during fermentation. Definitely for D47. Alright, now's the time to take a reading with your hydrometer and record your findings. Our yeast should be ready now for tempering. If it hasn't dispersed and started to foam or bubble slightly, just give it a few minutes in the warm water if you're following along. Make sure to take time with your tempering as not to shock the yeast. Just wait a couple minutes, then add some more in. Now we say our Yarkalk and pitch. Okay, after the pitching is done, I'll give it one last stir. Next, we tighten up the lid with our airlock on. And fill up with your choice of vodka or sanitized water. Alright, all that's left is to give it some time and hopefully we'll have a well-balanced traditional on our hands. Feel free to alter the recipe to your taste. Hope you all give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. And if you like my videos and want to see more, then hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Cheers.